Hi, second graders. So, I just want to go over what you're going to be doing for 8.4 in your journal, and because it's a little bit different than what you've been doing. So, in all of these equations, you're going to see that you have to take away more ones than you're given to start with. Okay? That is the point of all of this journal work is to show me that you know how to do regrouping, okay? So for number 1 in the step up, you are going to see that the total is set up for you. It's 81 take away 45 and we have 81 blocks set up for us, okay? But can we take away our 45? No, right? Because we don't have 5 ones to take away. So your job in all of number 1 is to draw the pictures to show how to regroup and then complete the equation. So show 81 regrouped, and then once you've done that over here, you're going to cross out your 45 and then write the answer right here, okay? All right, let's move on to number 2. In number 2, you're going to do the same thing. However, you're going to notice that there's no starting picture in number 2. Okay, so that means you're going to have to draw it yourself. You're going to draw what you start with, and then you're going to show how to regroup. So why don't we do A together so that you can kind of see how it's going to work. So 38 take away 19. You're going to have to draw your 38. So I'm going to need 3 10s and then 8 1s. Okay? But I have to take away 19. So I'm going to have to regroup. So I'm going to show my arrow, and then I'm going to regroup. So now this time, I'm only going to have 2 10s, and then I'm going to make my last 10 and 1s because I traded. And then I have to make my I'm going to have to make my 8 1s from 38 that are still there. Okay, and now I'm going to take my 38 and I'm going to cross out 19 from my new regrouped. So I'm going to cross out 1 10 and then I'm going to cross out 9 ones. And like I said, to be a good mathematician, we're going to do this the quick way instead of counting by ones the whole time. So I know I have 5 in my first row and then 4 in my second row is crossing out 19. Okay? Now the last step is to see our answer. So I have 1 10, 1 10. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 38 minus 19 is 19. Okay? You'll notice that that wasn't a quick process. It took quite a bit of time, but that's okay because we know how to do it. We just have to take our time and do our second grade best. All right, and lastly, for the step ahead, it's a word problem. So I'm going to read it to everyone. So let's see. It says there are 80 stickers in a pack. 25 stickers are handed out in the first week of school. 19 stickers are handed out in the second week. How many stickers are left in the pack? Show your thinking. Okay, so let's think about what this question is asking us. How many stickers are left in the pack? Right? That is what we're solving for. Great. So we know that. Now let's think about what we know, what the problem tells us. Like you guys all know, I like to organize my thoughts in the total part. Oops. So I'm going to draw total part to figure out what I know. There are 80 stickers in a pack. That's how many we're starting with. So we know our total is 80. So I'm going to put 80 in right here. All right. Now we need to figure out what one pack is, what the other part is. So I'm going to read it one more time. 25 stickers are handed out in the first week of school. 19 stickers are handed out in the second week. How many stickers are left in the pack? Please don't let this question fool you by giving us 2 more numbers, okay? That doesn't mean that's 2 of our parts. Your job is to read it one more time to figure out what that last part is, and then you're going to write an equation to show how you're going to solve our question, which is how many stickers are left in the pack. Okay? Good luck, second grade.